So today we're doing a turban tutorial. So let's get started. So this one is one of the crinkly scarves that you can get online or any store. For this specific turban style, you want to make sure that you have something that can stay together. Don't use chiffon for this because you're going to be annoyed. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to fold the top here like that. Yes. Then we're going to, hopefully you guys can see this. So obviously the first thing you're going to do is put your hair in a bun underneath with a different scarf, with another scarf. If you guys didn't know that, you should. If you guys don't know how to do that, I could probably show you, but I just don't think I can. I would actually have to show you on top of another scarf covering, but whatever. So the first thing you're going to do is make sure these two sides are even. So you cross them in the back. I don't know if you guys can see. You cross it in the back. You want to just like make sure basically it's like this first. Like together, boom. Fold the top. Bring it down to where you want it, like on the edge of your hairline or whatever. I'm sorry for making all this noise. My mics are like doing most. Alright. So you want to make sure it's even and like you can actually pull it tight if you need to. Not too tight because you don't want to like ruin your edges or anything like that, because scarves can do that. And I'm going to do a hair care tutorial for hijab. So what you do is you wrap the other side, which is the left side, if you're facing a mirror, and you wrap it. You want to, I don't know if you guys can see. Kind of tuck it in so that it looks like that. And then you have this other piece hanging here. So what you're going to do is fold that. Like that, and you make sure when you're actually doing it that you have the part that's folded. I know it's getting blurry, but I just want to make sure you guys see that. Alright, so you have the part that's folded there facing the outside of your face. So that folded part there. Alright, so the next thing you do is you just cross that. If you guys can see, my mics are doing the most. Sorry. So you cross that so you guys can see. If you guys, you see how it's on an angle. And then what you want to do is bring it down underneath that bun and then wrap it around and then tuck the excess in up here. Pretty much, that's that. And I like to give it some pleats, some life. And then you adjust. Your ear might be folded up in there if you did it a little too tight. You know, push it back however you want to have it. I don't know what's your style, how you want to wear your turban, but this is how I wear it when the turban's down. I also do a tutorial when it's up high. I know a lot of sisters requested that one on my Instagram, so I'm going to do more of those. But yeah, that is the look. Boom, 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 done and done. Morning after being up. Time is now, I've been waiting. I'm too nice, been patient.